Metals traded sharply bullish yesterday. We have seen gold moving towards the next resistance zone, as I have mentioned, 2660-64, and it is now positioned in the same zone, while silver is also seen a bit of a struggle at 2960, the next resistance zone. What to expect today from gold and silver? Where to enter, where to exit, how to profit, everything we're gonna see with the help of charts and indicators. This is the first update for the day, and this is the only channel to give you two updates a day. Those who had watched the updates yesterday must have profited. Definitely. Now, how to profit today? Let's start. First, gold followed with silver. Watch till the end. If you're new to the channel, subscribe, press the bell icon, do like, share, and comment. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Let's first, if you look at gold on the hourly charts, clearly it is taking the support from the 20 period and see what is happening after a couple of strikes towards 20 period. We have seen a good rise and now it is forming a nice flag. This is a bullish flag here. Once it breaks out beyond 2665, 66 zone, we can expect it to move towards again 26. Ideally I'll be looking forward to 2676, 78, but yes, there are good resistance at 2671. Again, beyond this we can look forward to 2670, 678 zone, the next milestone, and then towards 2685. Yes, it is right now trading in this moderate bullish channel here. The support levels here on the downside are now towards 26 54, 52 zone, which is going to be a very good support zone for the day. Any drop below 2654, 52 should lead the prices towards 2646 and 40 zone. But right now the momentum does not support such a reversal here. It is right now trading again, as I said, in a bullish flag formation. Yes, the stochastic at top, while the MACD on the upside has crossed over for a sell here. This is something we should be a bit cautious of, because see, already we have seen a good rise. Look at this, then the second leg, and now it is trying to retrace a little. So this is something we should be watchful of, and the RSI is also overbought here. So definitely till 2665, 66 we have to be a bit watchful and cautious. When you look at 2-hour chart, similar is the observation. First of all, a support here at 2654 levels, and then we have seen increasing body size and higher highs and higher lows. So yes, it is definitely trying to trade bullish. I will wait for it to break out beyond 2665, 66, which can take it towards 71, 72 zone, and then 76, 78. Now notice this, too much of divergence of the price from the 20 period here on the 2-hour charts calls for it to converge, means it can try to retrace here. So this is one possibility which I am waiting for, that if it drops below 2654, we can look forward to a drop towards 2650, 46, 44, and in fact 2640 levels. Remember, the strongest support now for gold lies at around 2630, 32 if at all it shows any down move today. Yes, the stochastic is overbought while the MACD is rising, and the RSI is come towards again an extremely overbought zone. On the three, similar observation are here on the 3-hour charts. I'll wait how it performs here at the current zone. Wait for a breakout here. As long as it stays below 65, 66, you have to remain cautious. Yes, prices can still reverse. As I said, too much of divergence calls for it to converge, and hitting the 20 period it can again bounce back. Moving averages crossing over here is a very good sign for the bulls. And see this red line here, now this is going to be the prime support zone, which means 26, 30, 32 should be a greater support for the day if at all gold tries to reverse. Yes, stochastic overbought, MACD is rising, RSI is overbought. So when you talk about the stochastic and RSI, it is getting into an overbought zone, which brings us to a caution zone, that at these levels we have to exercise a bit of caution. While it is not showing any signs of reversal, it is still advised that you have to be careful on the upside at least till towards 2671, 72. Now if you look at the 4-hour chart, similar observation. Remember one more point, increasing body size is a good sign for the bulls, and the next candle it can try to move towards 71, 72. Possibility exists here. If you look at the stochastic, this is extremely overbought, while the MACD, and though the MACD has further scope, RSI is into overbought zone. Coming to the now, look at daily charts. What did we discuss yesterday? See, almost this is slightly higher highs and this is slightly lower lows. Now what has happened since then? I can see this happening here, that it may try to trade in this zone or channel here. The top of the channel is now at around 2700 levels. So now today, if you see it is staying above 2676, 78 zone, we can look forward to 85, and then 2700 is also possible. Yes, why it is possible? Look at the body size here, increasing bullishness, and the preceding candle closing at the top here. This is one point which suggests that it is still having bullishness here. Next thing to note here is the rise here. then the retracement, then the rise. This is the second leg of rise here, and this is the zone which is definitely now a critical resistance zone for gold for the day. So I'll wait for 26 uh 66 to be taken, then 26.71.70 to be taken. These two levels should be a good resistance zone for gold for the day, and then beyond this 76.78 and in fact 85, or in fact higher levels are possible. But I will recommend you to exercise a bit of caution, as the things are getting overbought here. Prices may try to reverse as well. See, moving averages are starting to converge and are now looking upwards, which is a good sign for the bulls. Stochastic overbought. MACD, look at the MACD on the daily chart. The crossover here, just two candles away, suggests that it can deliver a third candle, a third bullish candle, which can take the prices on the upside. RSI rising as well. So on the daily chart, still there is lot much of room for further upside here. Now, before I provide you the levels, if you want to learn this art of trading, join my mentorship batch. And if you just want to trade as per the signals, be a part of my signals channel on Telegram. Connect with me, write an email, ping me over Telegram for your queries. And if you're looking forward to a broker which offers you a swap-free account with lowest spreads and no hidden charges, easier transactions and easier withdrawals from across the globe, you can find the recommended broker link also in the channel and video description. Now, I will recommend very simple. I'll recommend you to buy 2666 levels, expected to move towards 71.72, 76.78, the next, and then 26.84.85. If these three levels are taken, chances will be very, very high that we may see 2700, 2704 zone very, very, very soon. Now, this is on the buy side. I do not see it breaking beyond 2700 levels today. But yes, these are markets. Anything and everything is possible. Beyond that, 2722 levels should appear. On the downside, I will recommend a selling entry at, see, you can sell here at 26 54, 55 levels. That should be a greater support zone. Below that, 2650 should appear, 44 should appear, and then 40. If 2640 is taken, you can say that the bears are back, and below 2630, 32 is where we are looking at a massive reversal, where in fact the gold prices can take a sharper dip. Notice this on the daily charts. It is still under this bullish channel here, and it is almost at the top of it. Breaking beyond this channel is where we are looking forward to a greater rise. So I will wait for it to confirm. Specifically beyond 2671, 72 and 7678 is where the bulls are waiting. Take your trades accordingly. Be cautious. It is getting overbought. So till 2671, 72, and in fact till 2676, 78, you have to exercise extra caution. Take your positions accordingly. Let's move to what we have seen for gold is applicable to silver as well. 20 and 50 period crossing over here, good sign for the bulls. Price is taking the support from the 20 period, and now notice this, it is getting a bit hesitant here for silver on the upside. You can look at 2960 levels proving out to be a greater resistance levels, and we have seen this earlier that this zone between 2960 and $30 levels have provided it a greater resistance as well. So I will definitely watch out how it behaves in between 2960, 80. See, 2960 definitely is a good resistance. In fact, 2980 and $30 levels, till $30 levels, we have greater resistances for silver. But look at the moving averages; these are looking upwards, which is a good sign for the bulls. The stochastic at top here, the MACD has retraced and it is on the verge of a crossover. This can show a slight retracement. RSI has dropped as well. Coming to likewise on the 2 hour chart, see higher lows here, higher highs here. On the upside, definitely there is a hesitation by silver, and you can see prices are not willing to stay bullish. But on the downside, also the support levels are very, very crucial till towards 2920 levels. So I can see silver is struggling a bit here. A range bound movement is shown by silver in last few trading sessions. Yesterday, despite it showing the bullishness, I have seen it is struggling on the upside as well. So it requires a stronger breakout by silver in order to confirm a stronger rally. Moving averages crossing is definitely a good sign for the bulls, and this also makes this zone at 2940 as a very good support zone. Stochastic at the top, MACD is in green, RSI rising. Coming to similar is the observation on the 3 hour chart. See a support level here at 2920, higher low. See, another point to note here is the diminishing bullishness here. So now at this point we have to exercise a bit of caution. Only buying entry I will recommend is at 2980, where you can expect it to move towards $30 levels. 30, 30.25 and 30.50 levels are the next targets. Beyond that, if it stays above 30.50 any point of time today, tomorrow, next week, we can look forward to a move towards 31.5 and 32 as well. Look at the See, I have discussed one thing. See, more time it is spent here, the stronger is going to be the rise, and it has spent a good time here at 28, 80, 29 zone, which calls for it to recover here. The stochastic overbought, MACD rising, RSI rising here. On the 4, the observation is same here. See, higher lows, higher highs, two bullish candles. The third one can be seen here. I'll wait for it to stay above 29.80 in order to confirm further rise. Yes, it has spent good time enough here. Now it is trying to bounce back, trying to rise, but I will recommend you have to exercise a bit of caution here, as the things are getting slightly overbought. Though the MACD has lot much of scope on the upside, RSI is almost staying flat. Coming to the day, look at the daily charts here. See, what did we discuss yesterday? Almost symmetry here. Symmetrical formation is done, higher highs are done. 20 period moving average sitting at around 29.80 makes this a greater resistance. That is also, I say, why I say that till 29.80 you have to exercise a bit of caution. Beyond this, we can look forward to 30, 30, 25, 30, 50 levels are also possible. See, another point to note here, it is formed a double bottom, and it is willing to deliver a top here, where it can move towards 30, 40, 30, 50 zone very, very soon. Yes, the stochastic is also rising. The MACD is crossing over here. Now notice this, that the MACD crossing after forming a double bottom is a very good sign for the bulls. It can lead to a rally in silver soon. RSI rising. So considering this, I'll recommend you to buy here at 29.65 levels. When you see the lower price above 29.65, initiate a buying entry. Expect 29.80, 30, 30, 25, 30, 50. Possibility exists. On the downside, a selling entry is at 29.40 levels, where you can expect it to move to, say, 29.40, 29.30, 29.20. Till 29.20, exercise a bit of caution. Below 29.20, I think we are looking forward to $29 levels, 28.80. Any drop below 28.80 is a sign of a massive drop here. Be mindful of this. Any drop below 28.80 is a sign of a correction towards 28.40, 50, or 28. Right now, the signs are not very much encouraging for such a correction. Take your positions, take your trades accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch, join my signals channel. Reach out to me for your queries. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates, and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. See you again before the US session with more updates. Thank you.